name is Fabian. I am one of the students doing the T-level electrical installation course. I am good with my hands, I would say. I do like DIYing, hence why I have chosen a more technical course. It might sound strange, I do like physical work. Whatever I do, I like to see that I'm doing something. That's why I could never do computer sort of work. So the reason why I've chosen the T-level course is because it gives me an opportunity to go to university, whether it's now or in the future. They do teach us a lot about health and safety on year one, which the exams in year one are focused on as well. You then move on to the science principles as well. So it's not mainly about routing cables. Year one is really focused about science, also the year two. 100% I would recommend a T-level. It's a great opportunity for anybody who's looking to get a higher qualifications through physically working as well. I would recommend it once again. Variety of skills you can learn. It's not only college-based. You do a lot on the work placement, and it's mandatory. You do have to finish the 315 hours as part of your course. If you like challenges, go for it.